Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physical chemistry for JEE. First, begin by building a strong conceptual foundation. Focus on understanding the why behind each topic, not just memorizing. For example, grasp the principles of stoichiometry or chemical kinetics deeply. Ensure your basic math skills, especially in algebra and calculus, are solid, as they are crucial for problem solving. Regularly review and internalize key formulas and their applications. Once concepts are clear, dedicate significant time to problem solving. Start with simpler problems and gradually move to more complex ones. Work through examples from your textbooks and coaching materials. Crucially, practice problems from past JEE papers to understand the exam pattern and question types. Don't just solve, analyze your mistakes to pinpoint areas needing more attention. This iterative process strengthens your understanding and application skills. As you progress, tackle more advanced and often higher weightage topics such as electrochemistry, chemical thermodynamics, and chemical equilibrium. These require a deeper understanding and more rigorous problem solving. Develop your own short notes and flashcards for formulas and key concepts. Consistent revision is paramount. Revisit all topics periodically to ensure long-term retention and prevent forgetting. This systematic approach will solidify your knowledge. Finally, simulate exam conditions by taking full-length mock tests regularly. This helps you manage time effectively and build stamina. Learn to prioritize questions and avoid spending too much time on a single problem. Analyze your mock test performance to refine your strategy. Remember, staying focused and calm is key. Also, for staying hydrated during your long study sessions, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Good luck with your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.